Hello, and welcome to this presentation from RLE Technologies on how to configure the LD2100 for Modbus communications. To get started, you'll need to know what the Modbus RTU device number will be used for the LD2100 to the Modbus master. All RLE web-based equipment can be configured using Firefox or Internet Explorer for a web browser. So getting started, we're going to click on our browser icon, enter in the IP address of the LD2100 we're going to configure, enter the proper username and password, then either press enter or click on OK. From the top bar, we're going to click on Configuration, then go down to EIA 45. From here, we can select the RTU station address used for TCP/IP communications. The range can be 1 to 254. If using the LD2100 for an RS-45 or EIA-45 serial connection, we can select it to be Modbus slave, backnet slave, Modbus master to an LCD 240 display, or N2. In this example, we're going to leave it set to Modbus slave. We can change the baud rate of the 45 port from 9600, 19200, 38400, and 57600. We can change the parity for the 45. Default is none, or we can select even or odd. If using the 45 port, we can set a slave address from 1 to 254. Once we've made changes, we want to click on the Submit Changes button. To see a display log of the potential registers we can communicate to, there's a link that we can click on, and we can see all the registers available in the LD2100. For standalone applications, you would only use registers 30,001 to 30,010. On the left-hand side, we can see the actual value being displayed from those register points. We can click on a link to see the communication between the 2100 and the Modbus master. We have a similar link that we can click on to view any N2 communication. At this point, it's recommended to verify the LD2100 is communicating properly with the Modbus master. Please refer to Chapter 5 of the LD2100 User Guide for any additional Modbus information. The Modbus register map showing all the data points is available in Chapter 5. RLE recommends doing a backup of the LD2100 system once all this data is completed. Click on Configuration, System Flash Management, and click on the Download Configuration File .cfg link. You can call the file name whatever you choose, as long as there's no spaces and the .cfg file type is used. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video from RLE Technologies. Look for more training videos for your different RLE products. Any comments or questions, please contact RLE Technical Support at support@rletech.com.